Okay, just in case. Okay, I'll just check the Twitch TV stream to make sure that it's online. Okay. Okay, because the software, which is OBS, which I'm using to stream to Twitch TV, okay, it doesn't really tell you when you are online or offline on Twitch TV. Okay, so we are offline, online, so that's good. Okay, so let's go back to Photoshop, and I'm going to make, or rather create the font for the bottom section below all of the character selection. So it's over. Okay, it should be this, I think. Escape options. Escape options. Okay, so I'm just trying to find the document or the image which we are using for the options. Okay, title to be continued. Tap to start. Okay. To be continued. Okay, I guess we need to check from Unity. Okay, so this is the logo for the game. Okay, we need to find the text for the options and select box options. Oh, okay, it's here. Oh no, it's not this. Okay, so sometimes when the number of files increase in your game project, Oh, change selection and enter. Yeah. Word underscore change selection enter, which is not here. Oh. Okay, so we just need this to one over here and one over here. Yeah. And of course we need to create a controller version of this. Okay, but for now we'll create the keyboard version for this first. Okay, so we'll change this to something like this that uses the same pixel art font design so that we can create a consistent gameplay experience. Okay, starting with the text or the font or the copy, depending on how you want to call it. Okay, so let's do that now. Okay, let me bring this up. Okay, let's create a new group and call it. Okay, select. Okay, we just call it this. So first thing first, let's create a subgroup for the first line, which is this. Okay. So for this arrow, okay, we'll change it to this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay, so something simple and easy to understand. Okay, and let's flip this. Okay, so this is left and right. Okay, we just group these two together so that we can move them both at once. Change C. So by changing to this consistent font design, you can really tell the change, where the text is sharper and neat, okay, as compared to the previous version. Okay, so change. Okay, So change is CHANGE. Oh, okay. Okay, and just to make sure that we are using the same font design. Okay, so we have a list of all the alphabets here. Okay, with the same font design. So G is something like this. Okay. So we are missing 2 times 2 pixel here. Okay. Okay, so that is change. Okay, next we have enter. Okay, so let's start with an E. Okay. Okay, we need a square bracket at the side as well, so let's do that. Okay. Okay, and next we need N, and now we need a T. So even though it looks like I'm just creating the text from scratch, okay, but I'm using the same font design, okay, because it's all in my brain. Okay, for the square bracket, okay, I'll give it more breathing space. So 1, 2. Okay, now it looks better. Okay, let me flip this horizontally. Okay. And of course, to make sure that it's easier to read what is on the left and on the right, okay, we make the text on the left to be right aligned and the text on the right to be left aligned. So that makes it easier to read and differentiate between what key does what or what button does what. Okay, it's just a simple trick in UX, which stands for user experience. Okay. Okay. Next we have start game. Okay, so let's do that. Start. game. Okay, so we'll start with a S. Okay, and now we need a T. So let's get it from enter. Okay, where we can just duplicate it and bring it here. Okay, next we need arrow. Okay, so sometimes I'm lazy like that, so I'll just copy and paste things. Okay, so start. Okay, next we need a G, so let's get it from change. Okay, A, and next we need M. Okay, and now we need an E. Okay, and of course we need more spacing between the items on the left and the right, so it's easier to differentiate them. Okay, so currently there are 8 pixels wide here. Okay, let's move it. Okay, by another 4 pixels. Okay. Okay, and by the way, if I'm not responding immediately to what you are typing on the Twitch TV chat, okay, that's not because I'm not, or should I say, that's not because that I do not want to respond to you, but more like, as you can see, nothing much is appearing here. That means sometimes it might not receive whatever you are typing on the Twitch TV chat. Okay, so next we have escape. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so first we need to duplicate the square bracket and E. So let's bring them up here. Okay, 6. Okay. Okay, so this is for the keyboard version. So when you plug in your Xbox One controller, okay, the text on the left will change to the buttons on your Xbox One controller to sort of let you know that it has detected that you have connected your Xbox One controller, and also to show you what button does what. Okay, escape. Okay, let me flip this horizontally. And I think there's a bug here with flipping, because sometimes pixels disappear. Okay, so as mentioned previously, okay, we need to align this to the right. Okay, so it makes it easier to read and differentiate what is on the left and what is on the right. Three, four, five, six. Yep. Okay. So next we have options. Ouch. Okay, that hurts. Okay, just give me a second here. Okay, so even though if I don't put on my specs, I still can see, but I am slightly short-sighted, so I still need my specs. Okay, okay, and my eyes are back. And so as mentioned previously, okay, so we might be streaming later today as well. Okay, just to have a change of pace and routine. Which sometimes can be a good thing. Okay, so we need a P. Okay, let me get a T from here. Okay, so options, OPT, IONS. Oh. Okay, and by the way, if you are wondering why we are, or rather why are we separating each and every alphabet or character in its own Photoshop layer, okay, that's because we want it to be flexible so that we can change things like part of a word or part of a sentence in the future if we need to. Okay, so think of it as maybe a contingency plan for the near future. Okay, options. Okay, so this is the keyboard version. Change selection. Okay. Change. Okay, so that means for okay, let's bring this up here and remove this. Okay, now let's okay, 1, 2 1, 2. Okay, that's 16 now. Yeah. Okay, so this is better. Now what we are going to do next is to create the controller version for this. So that means instead of having maybe enter or escape, we'll have maybe B or A buttons there. Okay, so let's do that now by getting the old version first. Okay, start. Okay, B X A left right. We could actually just reuse this since this portion here is created in Photoshop. Okay. Okay, so let's close the image files and leave the Photoshop files open. Okay, so here, start button, start button. Okay, so we'll just drag and drop the start button here, okay, somewhere around here. Okay, and over here we'll move the left, right, and X and A button over here. Okay, so it's a good thing that the controller version is done in PixArt, so we can just replace them here. But of course we might need to, how should we put this? Create a smaller version that will be the same size as the keyboard version. So we might just use this as reference. Okay. Okay, so I will call this keyboard version. Okay, and let me duplicate this. Okay, and we'll call it con, which is short for controller. Okay, so left, right, and X and A.